Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create paragraph text from scratch. I will also show you how to convert point text to paragraph text. To create a paragraph text box, first click on the Type tool, click and drag out a box the size that you want the paragraph text box, and you can just start typing in, or you can paste in text. Use the transform handles on the side. You see your cursor turns into a double arrow. Then you can just resize the paragraph text. You can also go up to the paragraph panel. If you don't see that, go to Window, Paragraph, and you can use the alignment options up here. Now I will show you how to convert the default point text to paragraph text. So if you click on the Type tool, and instead of dragging out a text box, you just click and start typing, which is kind of the typical way to add text. Now I will show you how to convert this point text into paragraph text. First, click on the Selection tool. Then click on the Type tool. Do not select any of the text, but just right-click or Control-click, and then select Convert to Paragraph Text. I'm going to click on that. Then all you have to do is just click inside the text and you will see the paragraph bounding box around the text. You see your cursor turns into a double arrow when you get near one of these transform handles, and now you can reposition the text. And to convert from paragraph text back to point text, click on the Selection tool, then click on the Type tool, right click or Control click, and choose Convert to Point Text. And that is paragraph text in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.